Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Sway, and it's our very first vlog. And look, we finna get active today. This is gonna be a very fun day. Got my boy G in the back.
Oh yeah.
We just finished weightlifting. Hey,
it's that day.
It's that day.
It's that day.
Yeah.
About to get lit.
About to get lit.
Stay tuned.
We was supposed to go rafting today, but things change, bro. Things change last minute. But my boy Kev, it's his birthday. We about to have a boat party, bro. About to go into a boat, have some fun on the little lake, whatever the hell we going on. Hey, and y'all gonna be with us. We gonna turn it up, bro. We gonna turn it up. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all up. What's up, vlog? We done made it to Austin. About a 2-hour drive. It's currently 11 o'clock right now. The boat is supposed to be taking off at 11. So hopefully we get on it. But we got my boys back there, got my team back there. We waiting for some more people to come through. So, hey, tell you this now. It's going to be a movie, dog. I'm telling you it's gonna be a movie. Y'all get y'all popcorns because this is gonna be a good one, bro. This is gonna be a good one. Stay tuned.
I'm holding you under the water so you're not breathing underwater.
We here.
What y'all talking about? 80 million what? You get the 80 million.
I'm not gonna lie. Look, the birthday boy right here. Birthday boy. Talk to him, birthday boy.
Kobe here. We're gonna turn up and act like adults. That's all I have to say.
Okay. Talk to him, RJ. What you got to say to the cam, bro?
Huh?
What you got to say to the cam, man?
Hey.
Shy ass.
We got the goods for you in the back of the boat. You can just walk over boat to boat to boat and go talk to whoever the fuck you want to talk to. Welcome to America, bitch.
Fuck your shit, Kev. Fuck your shit, Kev.
Niggas don't know about this.
I'm with us behind the camera.
Yes, sir.
This was my nigga for what?
Yeah.
3 years?
3-4 years, bro. Shit, freshman year, man.
Finna turn up on that motherfucking YouTube shit.
Yes, sir.
My nigga been turn up on that YouTube shit.
Hey, man, you heard it from my dog, JP.
Oh, man, you already know. You better tap in right now before it's too late.
Bro. Tap in.
Before it's too late.
I'm finna turn up.
Finna turn up on that.
Finna turn up, man. For real. Hey, what's up, y'all? We are finally back from this boat party. Man, this shit was crazy, dog. This shit was crazy, man. I had a blast, bro. All my guys, all my friends, camera hand, we was lit. On me. But what we about to do now, it's probably about, 3 o'clock right now. We about to head to the B&B, you know, eat, because I damn near didn't eat all day today. We gonna eat, and then we gonna chill. We gonna chill at the Airbnb. You know, a couple of us brought the P5, so we probably gonna play 2K. You know, chill, do all that light stuff that we do on a daily basis. You feel me? And then tonight, I don't know. Can't say too much. We might do something. We might not. You did me. Talk to her, Johnny.
Yeah, you know what we got.
Yeah. Arizona. Arizona watermelon. That's damn near the best one too.
Refreshing.
Yeah, refreshing. But yeah, that's the plan right now. We about to head to this B&B and to get back on here when we do get there. You see this? This is what you do. This is what you do right here. The first thing you do, y'all put your fries. Put your fries on there. And then get your mac and cheese, right? Put a little bit on there. Put a little bit of mac and cheese on there. Bow. And then look at that. Get this Polynesian sauce and finish it off. If I can get it open. Look. Finish it off. Then you put that thing right on there. Boom. Like that. Put the bread on it. This is it. I'll put y'all on. I promise you, I'll try it out. I'll put y'all on. Hey y'all, we just got back to the B&B. I'll show y'all what it's looking like for a quick second. Show y'all what it's looking like. Living room. Dead man number one, dead man number two. One boy's in this room. Got a little twin bed. Birthday boy right here.
Nick.
I'm not. Got them boys in here chilling. Dead man. RJ is. Got them boys right here. Got the kitchen over here. I don't know how outside looking. Let me see. Man, I got some things right here, man. This is a good place, man.
On my fucking phone, and she finna go down and lick on this bone. And you know I do this, I'm rocking all this chrome, rocking all this gone, finna do the dome. Everything is coming out the fucking dome, and you know I'm dead, I'm sitting in my tone. And you know I'm doing shit crazy like a bone. Hey, pass it to my nigga, say he gon' go. Pass it to my nigga, say he gon' go. Pass it back to me, you know I'ma go crazy though. I got my flow, I don't know, but I'm a beat, I'm a flow on the beat. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, let's fucking go. You don't even know how to rap, that's okay. You gotta start, come on, Devontae.
Okay, come on.
Go.
Okay, he not even his mind.
You don't play,
I'ma
you
just
play
take my
like
time.
this. Stop playing, y'all need to get that shit. Y'all fucking start, come on, kid.
Okay.
Go.
Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Yeah. I can do this shit. I can do it blind. I can. I do the shit every night. I do it every day. When these bitches come to me, you know I don't play, and you know I gotta go crazy every day. Spitting on the girl day. Yeah, you know I'm gonna do. All we do is rhyme. Yeah, I'm playing no games. I do the shit on time. Yeah, okay, I'm do this shit on time. Yes, my nigga GG, he really is my slime. And I could do this deaf or blind. Okay,
Deaf or blind.
deaf and blind. Hold on. You see it? Ooh. I got one. Okay. Free Larry Hoover. GD, you already know. 6 point stars. Drop a 5-8. Back shut the fuck up. I was in jail. I came over. That's like a bitch.
What the nigga talking about?
I'm finna rap this shit. Finna throw on a fit. Yeah, he think he crib. But you not shit. Yeah, we finna deal.
Fuck you.
Hit him like a chip. Hit him in the lip.
Hit him.
Roger is crazy shit, I already know.
I've been on cry right now. I don't got shit.
Come on.
Hey, RJ.
I'm about something.
What? You just a leg.
Yeah.
Stupid bitch.
What?
Stupid bitch. What the fuck? You know I'm trying to fuck.
What?
Don't be blowing me up. Don't be calling my phone. I ain't texting back. Unless I'm trying to hit you with that sexy pack. Smoking on that pack. Smoking on that green. Talking all that shit. I'm trying to get between. Bitch, you know what I mean. Get between them cheeks. I'm finna beat. And I ain't gonna never eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna never creep. Yeah. You know we going deep. Split it up with the team.
Hey, Brad.
Yeah. Off the top of the head, I told that bitch give me some top of the head. Yeah. Off the top of the head, up on the top of that bed. Bitch, you heard what I said. I'm trying to get in them legs. I'm trying to get in them legs. I'm trying to fill you with legs. I'm trying to.
Look at this boy got money. Look at that. All white G pesos. All white G pesos. You know what I'm saying? Look at that jacket. Hey,
Look.
this is exclusive.
This was $90, bro. G Phase was $90. The jeans.
Hey,
Probably-
G pesos 100.
Oh, they 100. Okay. These probably a cool 100. This shirt was like $5, bro. This jacket.
And this thing got Louis Vuitton.
Chill.
Hey, this thing got Louis Vuitton.
This shit was like 130.
Louis
The Michael Kors watch right here.
This Louis Vuitton.
But this nigga right here, he long. The shirt alone cost more than my whole outfit. Bro, it's Palm Angels X V long. This is from Calabasas. This bitch is like 150.
They not 150.
And the shoes he don't wear, these not what he wearing, bro. Don't let him fool you, bro. This man got some. He got him, bro. The earrings.
Crazy.
Pearson the Golden.
Oh, David Turner.
What you got on? What's that you got on?
Chilling, man. Some Yeezys, just on some light shit, black tea. You ain't gotta do too much, man. We chilling, we vibing.
What is good, vlog? Nighttime. See, we all gonna go out. Have a good time going out. Be responsible at the same time, though. Not gonna do nothing crazy, but gotta have our fun, bro. Gotta end off the night right. You feel me? But I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get back to the school. We are finally back, y'all. We is back into the room. I haven't missed my bed so much. I am about to get into a coma. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go straight to sleep. Cause I am tired. You feel me? But today was so much fun. Today was so much fun. Boat party was just crazy. Crazy. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Feel me? Vlogs like this are going to be happening all the time. So if you haven't yet, subscribe to me, man. Subscribe. Like the video. Comment on the video. Let me know how you guys liked it. I want to know everything, man. And again, subscribe. It's road to 1K. Road to 1K, you feel me? And I know I'm going to get there real soon. So you guys be one of the first to join the crew. But hey, it's your boy Sway. And we out.